Y'all, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I got a little hack, a garden hack for you with strawberries. So, these are the Dollar Tree hanger baskets. I got these last year and I decided to put my strawberries in here. So, I've trimmed this up and taken off all the dead leaves and I put a little hay straw around it. And what I do is I save my bags from the onions and I just take a bag and open it up and stretch it over my strawberries. Now this is going to keep the birds and the squirrels away from your strawberries. Now this was rather long, so I tied a couple knots in the end, and then I'm just going to, I think, turn it inside out. Yeah, and then I stretch it over. Well, let's get the strawberries in here. The leaves. And I've got flowers, and I've got a couple strawberries growing on some of these. So stretch it over, get all the leaves in carefully, and once you stretch it, I'm going to stretch that in front, but you want to grab the two back ends, get that in there, and take a zip tie, Dollar Tree zip ties, and go through the mesh. See if you can see what I'm doing. Go through the mesh, go around this handle, and come back out. So you're attaching this to the handle. And I ran out of the larger zip ties. I hope this one's big enough. Yeah, it is. Just to hold that on like that. And then take your mesh and pull it down far. You got a lot of room. Pull it down far over the front. And I might have to do another zip tie here in the back. But we'll worry about that in a minute. All right. Open it up so that you can spread out your leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and put another zip tie on right now. So I'm just going to grab mesh to mesh here. I'm going to pull this down pretty far and grab the mesh on this side. And then pull this down pretty far and grab the mesh on the back side over here. I think I'm doing this right. Let me give it a little bit more because I want to make sure that I have it down far enough. So let's pull it down. Okay, let's pull it all the way down. Take this mesh, take this side, and pull it together. See if I can get that in the hole. There we go. Okay? Now once you do that, then these are the bamboo skewers from the Dollar Tree. I take 4 of them. The first one I'm going to take in the back by this handle. I lift up the mesh, open it up some, and then I start to weave this skewer into the mesh. Back and forth, opening up that mesh. And then this one, I get down this far and I put it down in between that mesh and put it down in the soil. Then I'll do the front. Start up here somewhere and go back and forth, weaving in and out, pulling that mesh, and then pull it down, and then I secure it right here in the front. Then I'll do the same thing on each side. So I'm opening up the mesh to give the strawberries room to grow. And this has kept the birds and the squirrels away from my strawberries. Stick that down in there. And then do this last side. And that opens this mesh up to give that strawberry plant room to spread. And just stick it down in the soil. Now, that's hanging kind of low, so I'll just pull it up like that. So look at there. There you have it. It's covered. The birds can't eat your strawberries, and the squirrels can't get in there either. And then I'll just clip off the ends of these zip ties, and I'll take you over and let you see where I hang them. Here you have it. I hung them up on my fence, and let me show you the one that I just did. Check this out. Check this out. I think it's a pretty neat idea. What you think? Hang it up there, and then I've got some fake strawberries to deter them. Psych them out. So what do you think? Tell me what you think. Hit that thumbs up. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Take care. Come on. Toodles. Give me a comment, please. I'd appreciate it. Simple, economical, and save them strawberries. See the flowers? And there's strawberries somewhere. Somewhere. But thanks a lot. Appreciate you. Once again.